Hello everyone. Today I'm making this video to show you how to install magnetic sunshades onto your car.
When the sunshades are delivered to you, the magnets are located inside the shade frame, like this. When installing, rotate the magnets outward for me, like this. Rotate the magnets out like this. For the front door, the lower section here is plastic trim, and the area near the side mirror is also plastic. This part will not have magnets. The two edges of the shade here will not have magnets. Once you rotate the magnets into position, remember to rotate the magnets before installing, then place the shade onto the car. That's it. It has attached to the car very firmly. Also, for car models where the front door has a curved shape like this part is designed by the car manufacturer to be curved, while our sunshade is straight. In this case, you can gently bend and adjust the shade frame to follow the curve of the door. When you place the shade onto the door, it will fit completely flush. Here, it fits completely according to the shape of the car door. Also, I would like to mention that for vehicles such as Ford Ranger or some Mazda models, inside the door frame, there is a rubber seal. This here is the rubber seal inside the car door frame. When installing the shade, please place the shade on top of this rubber seal. Some customers, when they receive the shade, try to push it down inside like this. That is the wrong way to install it, because if you do that, the magnets cannot attach properly. Also, it does not match the intended design. The correct design is to place the shade onto the rubber seal so that the magnets can attach to the outer metal frame here. Also, some customers ask whether it is easy to remove and reinstall. Let me show you. To remove it, simply lift it out. To install it, just place it back and it will attach automatically. This is the removal and installation process. It is very simple. If you have any questions, please contact us at autosunshades.com.au so we can guide you in more detail.